All right, let's talk to Eric about the weather here because temperatures, we talked about them dropping. We're into the upper 40s right now.
Yeah, and getting a little windy, Eric.
Yeah, it's been a gusty evening out there, bringing in some drier, cooler air after a few very humid days and very mild days. Wind out of the west at Boston Logan at 20 miles per hour. The dew point has fallen, so all that muggy air, it's out in the Atlantic now, and the temperature down to 49 degrees. We'll actually have a night of near average temperatures. Can you imagine that? And if you're wondering what that is this time of year, we should be in the 30s routinely at night by this point. Our storm system is working its way up through Maine right now and bringing in some of that cooler air briefly. Winds have been gusty tonight. They're starting to die back just a little bit, and that trend will continue over the next couple of hours. It'll be calmer by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, or this morning, if you will. Radar showing the rain pushing up across northern New England, heavy rain in parts of Maine, and snowflakes flying on top of Mount Washington tonight, a sign of that colder air filtering in. We're down to 43 in Worcester, 49 in Boston, 50 in New Bedford. Temperatures gradually coming down to the upper 30s to low 40s by tomorrow morning. So again, it'll be a crisp, cooler start to the day. And the sun returns tomorrow. It's going to be a bright day and a nice rebound. Many towns will top 60 degrees in the afternoon, so it's going to be very pleasant for our Friday. And a lot of early Halloween things going on Friday night. Weather looks perfect for it. It will get chilly after sunset. The winds go calm, the skies will be clear, and we will have some 30s for lows tomorrow night. That's after highs in the low 60s during the afternoon and 50s across central Massachusetts and southwestern New Hampshire. So tomorrow, nice day to kind of dry out. Saturday, a pretty nice day. I do think there'll be some low clouds that try to form, especially along the south coast on Saturday as our winds turn more southerly, but it will be mild and dry. Then on Sunday, the clouds are building. The rain showers will break out during the day. And then a stronger storm approaches heading into Sunday evening and nights. Now, this storm is going to rapidly deepen and come right up across New England and perhaps right over the Boston area. We'll see exactly where this tracks. It's going to be a very fast mover, the core of it, but we should get a band of very heavy rainfall as well as potentially damaging wind gusts as it crosses the area. Now, the spots that have seen a lot of rain over these last couple of days and are more prone for flooding are likely western and northern New England locations. I think here locally we're looking at 1 to 2, maybe as much as 3 inches of rain with this storm. Doesn't look like that would cause much in the way of river flooding, but there would be some standing water on the streets for sure, kind of lowering the impact because it is on Sunday night, in the middle of the night. And then for wind gusts, our best chance for potential damage would be across eastern and southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern New Hampshire, and Maine. Right now, it looks like those gusts would be somewhere in the 40 to 60 mile per hour range. And then again, over 40 miles per hour on Monday. That's as the drier air moves in. And that would be more region wide. We saw quite a few trees coming down tonight, even with wind gusts in the 30s. So there would be more of that, plus a chance for power outages on Sunday night. Temperatures in the 60s all weekend, so it's going to be quite mild outside. Saturday is absolutely the pick to be outdoors. I do think we'll have some showers around for the Patriots. It'll be windy and gray. The heaviest stuff may wait until after that game. So we'll be keeping you updated on the exact timeline of it. We'll spike in the 60s on Monday morning, but it'll get much cooler during the afternoon and very windy on Monday all around the area. Tuesday, though, Halloween. It's quieter, it's bright, and seasonal. Actually, it's going to be a cool, crisp Halloween night, just like we like it, and looks like some rain showers again by Thursday. But David and Lisa, some towns will have seen up to 8 or 9 inches of rain in a week by the time we get toward Monday.
Incredible. Wow. And at least on Halloween, you don't have to put the heavy jacket on over the costume.
It's not too cold, it's not too hot, and it's definitely not stormy.
Perfect.